Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inserting both SIM cards correctly. Many Redmi 6A units use a hybrid tray, so make sure each card seats flat. Once done, power the phone and unlock it, then open Settings and go to Network and Internet or SIM cards. You want to see both SIM entries listed with carrier names. If one is missing, reseat the card. Make sure you label each SIM now to avoid confusion during the next steps. Now configure how you use both SIMs. Tap each SIM entry and assign defaults for calls, SMS, and mobile data. You choose one for data and can set the other for calls. Once set, use the dual SIM always on or preferred SIM per contact if the phone supports it, so you don't toggle repeatedly. Also, make sure to check data roaming and mobile network type per SIM. This prevents unexpected. Finish by restarting the phone to force both SIMs to register with networks. Once rebooted, test. Place a call, send an SMS, and use mobile data on the chosen SIM. If one SIM doesn't work, power down and reseat that card, then swap slots to isolate a faulty tray or SIM. Make sure APN settings match the carrier. If issues persist, try the SIM in another phone to confirm whether the problem is the card or the Redmi 6A itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.